Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie and today's video is going to be a review about the Irresistible Me hair extensions. They are kind enough to send one for me so that I can try it on for you guys so you guys could decide whether to purchase this or not. Thank you so much, Diana, for being so patient, and one of you guys actually wanted to see what it looks like with my new hair, so this video is for you. Now, when you receive the product in the mail, it is going to come in a box like this. And you can definitely repurpose this if you wanted to. And then the actual packaging is actually in a heavy-duty Ziploc, and it also has a seal on it as well. This is what it looks like. So a small portion of hair is going to be right over here so that you can test it out whether it is color matching your hair. And let me just read what it says right over here, okay? Come on, focus on me. It says here, open this side first. This piece is packaged separately to give you a better look at the shade and length without opening the full set. Do not use it unless certain you want to keep these extensions. Please do not clip this piece in your hair or use any heat tools or styling products. It must remain in perfect condition in case of a return or exchange. After you've decided on keeping the set, only then you should open it by removing the seal. Opening the seal will void the guarantee and you won't be eligible for a return or exchange. Now, this is what they're talking about. On this side there is going to be a seal. Now once you open this side, you can never exchange that, probably for sanitary reasons, of course. So let me show you what piece is going to come from this side. Sorry if I can't talk, I'm trying my best. So it's going to look like this. Obviously I've already put it out. That's the reason why it's kind of like scrunchy, but looks like that. And it is inside a hairnet, which is really nice because it keeps all of the hair secure in place and it's not going to tangle up. Now remember that. Why can I not talk? Like, what's wrong with me? Now you can just match it like that. Now, before I even colored my hair, I was already satisfied with my hair color, blending it with this one because it's going to look like ombre. But I was like, you know what? I want to look really nice on my birthday. Now, before I even try this on for you guys, I just want to show you guys what and how many pieces do I have here. And this is actually enough to have like a full-on head. It will give me length, it will give me volume. It's almost like a wig, but my head is going to support it, and then it's going to look natural. When I put it on, you'll see. And this is actually that piece that is in right over here. And I have it in my storage hanger. I think that if you are going to have extensions for the very first time, or if you don't have this, I think this is going to be very, very helpful in order to preserve your extensions in a very good condition. Now let me just take this out so you guys can see what the storage hanger looks like. Some of you guys who always wear extensions are already familiar with this, but to me, I didn't really have like a lot of extensions experience, and this is actually my first time having a full set of extensions, and I was not aware that there's like a hanger to store it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So for you to take out the extensions, all you have to do is pull it down, push it down, and then this will release like that. I don't want to release it because everything is gonna like go from north to south. Now I'm gonna show you every piece that I have so that you guys are aware. And you can also, buy the 4 weft individually. They are very popular for that as well. Now I have 2 1-clip extension. Trust and believe, if you guys want to look like Kim Kardashian or something, you would really need like a bunch of hair to make it look like not as fake. So this is what it looks like. I got the longest one that they have, and this is actually 200 grams, but it's gonna be up to you if you just want to buy like, again, like the 4 weft, which I will be showing to you guys next. And what I appreciate about this set is that it comes along with 2 clips. Actually, I think this is 3. I don't know where the other one went. But yeah, anyway, you have spare clips right over here. So just in case something happens to your clip, at least you have a backup. So this is the first 2. including like the tester one to color match your hair. And then this is what I'm talking about, wherein you can buy separately. Where's that? Yeah. I'm slowly getting it because I don't want it to get like really messy. This is what it looks like. As you guys, if you guys know me for a while now, I know that you guys have witnessed me try like a bunch of extensions like the halo one and this and that. But to tell you guys honestly, this is my favorite because you can dance with this, like competitive dance, if I make sense. Like you can do whatever the heck you want. You can have like an overnight whatever you're gonna do and your hair will stay in place. So you can buy this alone if you want, if you feel like you already have thick hair. I already have thick hair, and because I want to be exaggerated all the time, I have the full set. And then you have another one that has like 2 clips right over here. This is perfect on the side to build it up. I have another set of 2 clips right over here. And lastly, I have a set that has 3 clips. Now this is for if you want like a full-on head. And you can always talk to them. They have, let me just get that. They have really good customer service. So if you have a lot of questions, just feel free to email them on what you are looking for and they'd be happy. They will always be happy to assist you on that. So I am pretty much excited. I hope you guys are as well. I'm so excited to show you guys how this works. Now first off, obviously I'm gonna comb my hair. I'm gonna comb my hair. But you guys could comb it all together. I've already combed this. I've stored them really nicely, so there's no need for me to like comb and comb and comb. By the way, this hair, you can wash it, you can color it, you can put heat on it, you can do whatever you want with it. You can sleep with it if you want. You can swim with it. I don't know about swimming, but it's pretty secure, but I have not tried swimming with it. So first off, I am going to section my hair using the top of my ears, and as you guys can see, I have a clip to help me secure my hair in place while I put this on. This is the one that has a 4-clip weft, and then the installation is so easy. It's not like rocket science, and you can definitely stop it from here. You can cut your extensions so it blends even better, but I want it to look like straight. If you like, you can start at the very bottom, but I'm just doing this on how I'm comfortable with it. So when you're applying the few mini pieces, I would suggest to at least put it a little bit back, like an inch back before it reaches your hairline, so it doesn't look so fake. And so that when you decide to put your hair behind your ear, the clips will not bulge. So I'm just gonna layer them slowly, separating them like an inch to each other. And then I'm gonna put more in the back, like the lower part. My hair is not actually parted in the middle, so that's the reason why my distribution is not super equal, if I make sense. So what I'm doing is that I'm adding it gradually, and if it doesn't look good, I will remove it. So after installing everything, just style as the usual. You can comb it, you can use your fingers to comb it, you can cut it, cut it the way you want it to. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize that it looked like a sack of rice with this outfit. But anywho, again, you can style it the way you want it to. If you decide to curl your extensions, I would suggest to curl them while they are on the hanger. I am dead ass serious. Every time I'm wearing these extensions, I am so feeling myself. I miss my long hair. My old hair is as long as this one, believe it or not. If you are my classmate when we were in high school, you definitely know what I'm talking about. Again, seriously, why do I look like a sack of rice in this outfit? think? I know it is long, but I love how long it is. Like, I really do. Look at that. And you can even braid it if you wanted to, and the reason why I don't want to curl it is because it's just my personal preference. I just like it straight like this, because you know what? If I have long hair, I feel like I look like skinnier because it contours my face. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment box down below. And also, I have a coupon code for you guys that will be on my description box just in case you guys are interested. It is 20% off, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!